Hello everyone, welcome back to KK Creations Official. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am making Rabri Falooda. So let's get started. In a bowl, soak basil seeds. To make jelly, pour 2 cups of water. Lukewarm the water. Now add 1 ball of jelly. Stir it. Bring it to boil. Take out in a container. And let it cool. In 1 liter of milk, add half cup of water. Add Falooda packet. Cook on low to medium flame for 15 minutes. Keep on stirring. After 15 minutes, turn off the flame and let it cool. Now cut the jelly in cube shape. See how jiggly it is. Now assemble everything. Add jelly, Falooda, basil seeds, and it's ready to serve. I hope you like the recipe. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment, share it with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.